Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of our new ZeroDamage Tempered Glass screen protector from SaharaCase. Inside the kit, you'll find our easy-to-install screen protector, which features premium tempered glass, a squeegee tool, and all the necessary accessories for a seamless setup. For install, we've included everything you will need: a microfiber cloth, alcohol wet wipes to clean your screen of any dirt and fingerprints, and a dust absorber sticker for any additional dust particles. Plus, we've included step-by-step instructions. Start by positioning your phone sideways with the camera on the right. For this demonstration, we're using the iPhone 16 ProMax. Begin with the wet alcohol wipes to gently clean the screen. Next, use the microfiber cloth to continue the cleaning process. Finally, use the dust absorber sticker to remove any remaining dust particles. Now, peel off the adhesive backing from the screen protector for easy installation. Align the applicator with your device, making sure the arrow is facing in the correct position. Simply swipe your finger across the surface and wait 15 seconds for a perfectly aligned installation. Once complete, press down and peel off the sticker. If you notice any bubbles, use the included squeegee to smooth them out, pressing from center towards the edges. Give it a final clean with the microfiber cloth. Now let's install a Sahara Classic Series case. And there you have it, you're ready for your next adventure. For complete protection, check out our new Classic Protection Kit. Designed with adventure in mind, this all-in-one kit includes everything you will need to keep your device safe and secure. It includes our premium ZeroDamage Tempered Glass, our custom-designed Classic Series case, which we have available in many styles and colors, and all the essential accessories you will need. Adventure without limits with Sahara's protection, keeping your devices safe every step of the way.